It's day one, my brother. Day one. Welcome, welcome. I mean, really, really welcome. I have took this trade and I'm literally up almost $10,000. I will show you. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Crazy. You're gonna see some things which is going to make sense. You're gonna guys are going to go with a lot big learnings today. Alright, so GBP USD, I have took this beautiful trade. Yeah, I got missed. The trade must be taken over here. While implementing, I was in the bullshit motherfucking job, which I hate the motherfucking most. Why in the world I'm doing job? That's a whole other story. It's. We'll talk on that later on, or you can just go and black see my vlog. So look at this. So this is where I should be taking a trade, and guess what? I have decided to keep the Euro USD on just watch list, just a watch list. Not going to enter into the markets, but GBP USD. This currency, I will tell you, this trade, I was waiting for the price to come and hit to the box. It haven't, and it started rejecting. It started rejecting to the downside, and I'm like, hey, no. I just don't want to miss this trade. It's not a fear of missing out. I'm just making sure it's not a fear of missing out. I just wanted to tell you that I wanted to take this trade because I was correct in the market prediction, but then I'm not entering into the trade. What the fuck is this? Then why in the world I was predicting the market for the first place, right? So then I saw like, hey, I also have Euro USD. So I gone and checked like on the 4 hours. Oh my goodness, the Euro USD have beautifully came to the area of interest and we are started rejecting it. And guess what? I'm like, hey, we also getting the 1 hour engulfing candle. This is beautiful. So I'm like, enter. I'm literally entering into the market. So I was literally looking at it and I was like, should I enter? Should I enter? Should I enter? Should I enter? Hold on. Let me go through my checklist. I gone through a checklist. I see every single thing, and then I finally enter, which I enter a little bit late. It's part of a game. Don't worry, brother. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the screen. Sorry, the profits. Just a second. So this is Euro USD. So now I'm actually going to see the profit. So on the funded account, which is we are up above almost. Let me just um, do the dark mode so that you guys can able to see. So this is a funded account. We are up above almost 184. Hold on. On the other account, I'm up above almost $10,000. So hold on. Just let me able to see you. Can you able to see? Camera brother, focus on this. Yeah. So here we go. You just see the 2 digits number. So now we are opening the other account, which your guys are ready. So and guess what? Even if this trade literally reverse and go into the stop loss and hit the loss for me, I'm fucking okay. I am fucking okay. I have completely accepted risks in this. Oh my god, we have $12,000. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. This is a bigger account. We are up about $12,000. Can you able to see? Let me zoom it. Oh shit! I was about to click the wrong button, which was going to close the recording. Look at this. 12,000. No, it's $11,000. Oh, it's $11,800. 11,900. 7, 8. Wow, perfect. So you guys understand. I was literally about to click this stop recording button accidentally. I'll just keep this like this. So yeah, this is getting consumed. Okay, so this is what it is, and I mean this is just a one. This is just, I mean, this is not a real account. Okay, to make sure this is this $12,000. Which one is the real account? The one we have seen this $177 in profit. This is a now it's $169. This is the real account. The this is a bigger account, which is $12,000 profit is a bigger account, which is the funding, um, which is a live prof firm challenge. If we are like up about this much, pretty much will be. Oh, this is going to end like the New York. Hold on. Let me decide to close this because New York is going to get started, and if it is closed like this, hold on. It have 22 minutes of this. Pretty much just rejecting. Just a second, okay? Because now I have to decide to close this trade onto this account because this account is going to get expired pretty much tomorrow. Oh no, we have tomorrow. I will keep it running. I was like, oh shit, this is the 2 days days on the last day for that particular account because it's like a 30 days. It just get closed after 30 days. So um, I'm just going to keep it either stop loss or either take profit. This is what it is. Oh yeah, let me just show you the other accounts as well. So this one is of the first account. The second account is no. This is oh yeah. I was saying about this. Now, this one, this all the accounts from now. This all the accounts which I'm going to show you. It's not a real account. It's just like from challenge account where if I just be in a profit and that just because of I will be in profit, I will be in some kind of 1 to 100 traders which are applied to the competition. If I just be in profit and just like be in a ranking number within 1 to 100, brother will get a free funded account or free challenge account. It's very easy to scale such like this. So I just now this is a funded next competition account. So we are up about almost $1,000. So let's actually add it. So it'll be pretty good if we add it. Okay, I literally want you calculator to open into the other space, my brother. How can I? How in the world can I? I hate you, calculator. I hate you. Okay. Whoa, wait. What we'll do? We'll type out over here. Okay, so now I'm juggling into my words. It's not because of excitement, because of just saying this bigger numbers. Fucking not, of course. I'm just pretty much speaking it fast because I really need to do one meeting. I really need to do one meeting with me about the things which I'm going to do right now. So we saw like $12,000 in profit plus the original the funded account was like almost 170. Just taking the round numbers to this one is the other account which is having a 1000 one. Can you able to see 1200 and 1200? Let's take 1200. Oh, it's not 1200, 1100. Let's reduce this one. This is pretty simple, right? So this is the other account, and then this is the Audacity account, the Audacity Capital, which is like I'm managing Audacity. It's also, oh my god, yes, up about $2,200 in this, $2,200. Is this is getting literally recorded because I wanted to record this all of this. Yeah, it's getting focused. It's getting like record. I just want to fucking check it once more. Oh yeah, it's getting recorded. So if we hear $2,000, $2,200. Um, yeah, these are the three accounts. Now I will show you the other accounts as well. Wait, let me just increase the brightness. This is a funding pip account. Now this now the account which are before I go to the funding pip, there is the other account which is goat funded. It's a funded account. I literally buy it for $1. Like seriously, I for $1,000 funded account I buy it for $1. Crazy, right? So we are up about 10 USD. So, it's not even getting counted in this bigger number, but it is number. Okay, we came back to the break even, literally break even. Like we did the two losses and now this one is actually having the profit. So recovering all of the losses we have done. This is a funding pip. Can you be able to see? Oh my god, crazy. Can you able to see? Is this getting focused? Absolutely not. So then it's no point to show you. You what? I'm just not able to understand what the fuck is this. Crazy, like like what? Is this a $2? Oh, fuck. Oh my god, is this a $2? Yeah, crazy. Yeah, what the fuck is this? I sell 0.01 lot size. She I use this risks mode, and I literally put a 2% risks and it just calculated $2. Bullshit. This is the account of $97,000. $97,000. It should be $2,000, man. 2%. So $2,000. So we should be up about almost $2,500. Crazy. That means on other accounts as well the same thing happens or what? This is the other account, Equa funded. Um, let's go down. Yeah, it's fucking $2. Look at this. We could easily pass this motherfucking challenge, yaar. Crazy. This one mistake has ruined this. Again, no problem. $2. 2 point, yeah, 2.3 same. Can you able to see? It's just a white. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is a $2. Oh, I have to zoom this much. $2. Yeah, that's a $2 profit. Crazy, right? Crazy. This is a literally account of like $97,000. Can you like let me show you? $97,000. Yeah, that right, the 97,000. That is the actual account. So let's open the match trader, the third account. Yeah, this is the last account. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, the match trader I haven't took the trade because it was having some error. So pretty much, yeah, we have successfully concluded the things. So this is it, man. This is it. So this is actually the total profit we are in right now, and I don't care if we just lost it right now. Lost it. I want to lose it. Now again, we're back to the $12,200. Crazy, crazy. I'm closing my eyes because I'm closing my one eye because it's just like. All right, so let's sum it up. Sum it up. How much it is equals to. Let me use my own calculator, man. I am very much versed in calculating the profits. Sorry, in numbers, addition, division. 12,000 plus 170 plus 1100 plus. Oh, here we go. I will use a mouse so that you can understand. You can be with me. 2200 plus 10 plus 2 and plus 2. Now this would easily be 2000. Okay, so I will just add 2000. Should I or should I not? We'll do both. Okay, so right now I'm up about almost $15,000. Crazy, by just clicking a fucking button. $15,000. Can you able to see? Hold on. Let me just show you this. Yeah, here we go. I just added this, and guess what? If we round if like this mistake was happened with me, if this was literally $2,000, which should be $2,000, just because I haven't added a lot size properly, it just end up $2. So this is 2,000 plus. If I just add the plus 4,000 in this, I am right now up about, if we literally hypothetically if we talk about, I'm right now up about $19,000. But if you want to be real, I'm up about $15,000. Crazy, 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 crazy. So literally, let's add 19,000 because why not? It is what it is. I'm up about $19,000. Okay, so let's do this. 19,000. Let's round this up. Dollars in INR. If we look at this, would you look at this? Today within, it's not even 24 hours. It is not even 24 hours, my brother. I took this trade. Let's just go with accurately time. I took this trade on 12:38. I have the video recorded as well. 12:38. Can you able to see the upper timing? Oh, you can't. Now you can. Yeah. 12:38 was the timing. 12:38. So right now it's a 18:16. 18:6. Yeah. 18:16. Means 6:16. 12. Near about 6 hours. 12:38. Let's exclude every single thing. Just take the round number. 12 to 6 o'clock. It's a 6 fucking hours. Within 6 hours, I make near about 17 lakhs. Oh, it's a 98,000. Pretty much, if we can round up to the 18 lakhs. Ha! Crazy. And we're still not done. Oh wait, let me just refresh you guys. We're still not done. We just halfway in the way. Half in the way. Oh my god. We are less than half. We are less than half. Imagine if we just complete it full. How much it is? How much? This is right. This will be double if we complete our take profit. If we are half in the move, if this is going to come from here to here, which is chances are very high, we'll be doubling this profit. So 19 twos are, so let's count round it 20 because it will be simple. 2 1 2 are 4, 40,000. How crazy. $40,000 in INR, it is 37 lakhs 87,000. Crazy. I mean, crazy. This is what this is like. This is only the thing, man. If I will retire my mom, dad. Oh God, Jesus, crazy, like crazy. This is it. This is it, and this is how we are going to get millionaire. Crazy, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Good. We are very good. Very good with this. Now to be make sure this is not a real money. Currently our real profit is $170, which is 16. Oh, this is used for 16,000 INR. It's great, great. But adding the other, this is not even the correct one. Adding the other challenges, other companies which I'm actually handling also, which are not a real funds, but which are a challenge fund. If I be in a green, they will be giving me perks and whatnot. I still make 17 lakhs within the 6 hours. God, look at this. I mean, ah, crazy. Just imagine. Now, now to make sure, to be make sure. If this got to zero, I don't fucking care. If this goes in loss, I don't fucking care. It's a number on screen, my dear brother. What is this? It's just a number on screen. As a professional trader, I just have disconnected myself from these numbers. Literally from the numbers. Disconnected. There is no connection, my dear brother. There is no connection. If I just see minus 17, I'm like, okay, what's next? It's nothing for me. Okay, why I'm reacting? Because oh my god, this is it, 17 lakhs, 37 lakhs. Because brother, i'm just because like what I how I can say, man, this is the goal for me. And if you can see your goal is literally in front of you and you just one step away to achieve that goal, how you will feel. That is what I'm feeling right now. I'm not feeling because hey, this is a big amount and this will be our profit. Fuck. Eh, money is just a number on screen, my dear brother. And if you attach yourself to this number, sorry, sorry, brother. I mean, you're going to lose this. You're going to be depression. You're going to kill yourself if you attach yourself, your emotions, your feelings, your literally feelings is the most important. Your feelings, your emotional, your mindset to these numbers, brother, you are going to crush like this. And I'm telling you, I'm still poor. I'm still fucking broke. Right now, you wanna see in my bank account how much money I have? I will show you. I'm fucking broke. Okay? It's not like I'm a millionaire, that's why I can say that hey, money is just a number on screen. No, no, no. I'm fucking broke right now. But just because of I have a millionaire, oh my god, I'm so broke. Holy shit, look at this. I have 6 rupees. Can you able to see? Oh yeah, it's not mirroring. Good. Good. Yeah, yeah. Let me just take it to the middle. Yeah, I just have 6. Fuck. And it's real. And it's real account. Yeah, look at this. This is a Google Pay. It's a real. I have fucking 6 rupees in my hand. 6 rupees? Are you kidding me? I'm so broke right now. That's like there is very like if we are poor, we'll be having a lot more attachment to this big numbers. But right now I'm a poor. but I have the skill which is going to make me millionaire, and so I will be seeing a lot big numbers are going to come up and come down, and I have to be okay with this. And if I attach myself to these big numbers, I will get cooked. So that is the reason I have just disconnected myself to these numbers, and probably you should too. Okay, do not connect with yourself to the numbers. The time you connect yourself to the numbers, brother, salute you. Good luck. But if you disconnect yourself to the numbers, brother, we're going to meet pretty soon, because you're going to become a millionaire for sure. For sure, I can guarantee right now in front of this millions of people right now. This is what it is. So, yeah, look at this. It's done. It's done. This video is done. Probably. I just wanted to talk about this, and we're done. And pretty much, like, whenever I'm going to open this chart, whenever I'm just not emotionally attached with this trade, not at all. Right now in front of me, if news come and if this hit to the stop loss, I'm very much happy. I'll be like same. I will be like, oh fuck, oh my god, my leg just got disconnected. Oh fuck. Oh my goodness. I will be like, oh fuck, yeah. We lost this trade, now what? Next, please. So yeah, I will be like this. It's not about trade. It's about how you be when you will be not in profit. And that is what teach me a lot. So signing off, boys. I really have a lot more work to do. Crazy. Crazy. Let's do it. Signing off. Alright, boys, look at this GBP USD. Yeah, this is the next video for the YouTube. I'm so separating a lot of videos. So I have predicted my leg is just cramping a lot. So this is going to create a new structure. This is literally this thing is literally going to come up till here, create the new lower low. So we're going to earn a lot more money down there. Oh fuck. Oh my god, my leg. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, just give me a second, okay? Oh my god, look at this. Look at my leg. Oh my goodness. What is happening to my leg, man? Oh my god, look at the veins is also pumped up. Fuck. I just have fold my legs and now my leg is not connect. The legs just got disconnected and legs has a lot more, like that feeling just because of when the feeling got when the blood circulation just got lower. That feeling, and instantly if I just open my leg and that blood circulation comes up, oh my god. Oh shit. I will focus over here. I will just not move my leg, please. Do not move. Alright, so I was waiting for the candles. I was waiting for the price to come up till here, but it never came. So I have took the Euro USD trade because this is USD, this is USD, and this both are going to go down. Guess what? This is actually not a trade. I'm into this, right? This. And pretty much I believe this is going to go to downside because as GBP USD is going to go down, Euro USD is also going to continue to go to downside. That is why I've took this trade. Um, yeah, this is what the update is. I was waiting for on a GPUs. I was waiting for the price to come up till here. It haven't came. So I didn't took the trade on GBP I took the trade on Euro USD. We'll see. Are we going to hit or take profit or stop loss of GBP? And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Now this candlestick is going to get close, and I believe the next candle is going to create like this, and the next candle is going to create like this, and the next candle is going to create like this whole is going to be a Asia session, and then a new day is going to be started. It's going to start pumping to the downside like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and the whole next night is going to be retracement, and the next Wednesday it is going to pump to the downside like anything. This is what is going to get happen. It is not just going to like start and boom. Not at all. It's just crazy. It happens only in movies. This is actually real thing is going to get happen. So I'm just GBP USD, I was interested, but it haven't came to area of interest. Now I repeated it millions of times. Signing off. Let's go on the next video. I'll just finish creating the videos, and then I have a lot of work to do. So in the next video we're going to recap the GBP CAD. Let's do this. Welcome back, guys, to the next video. This is we're going to check in the GBP CAD what the fuck we were waiting for. Yeah, what the fuck we were waiting for? I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure below this box. If that happens, then I'm going to take the trade. Pretty much we are looking sideways. I'm just don't like this. I really want this candlestick to close below this box. Once that happens, we are very much good to go, and very high chances. I literally believe it is going to close down, and once like this is going to create the engulfing candle on the 4 hours. This candle is going to get closed like this. How you should, if this candlestick close like this is going to push to the downside, and then tomorrow we'll be having the retracement or to this area of interest, then we can easily able to go to downside like anything. This is beautiful trade is coming, but I'm already into the Euro USD, so I won't be able to take the trade, any fucking trade now. So in the next video we'll be looking into what we are looking for and what is the trade update of the AUD CAD. Welcome back, boys. We are back with the let's see trade update of AUD CAD. I haven't took this trade, brother. Beautiful trade is pumping to the downside. If this candlestick close over here or at the area of interest, brother, this thing is going to pump to the downside. I'm not gonna lie, but there will be con. The 4 hours is going to get bullish, which is a bit turning me off. So yeah, this is, I haven't took any trade. I'm just into the trade of Euro USD, which is looking good. So in the next video, yeah, there is no update of the there is no trade on the AUD CAD. I'm still waiting for the price to come on this box. But if this comes to the box, the 4 hours is going to get bullish. Once the 4 hours is going to get bullish, I will wait for 4 hours to get period. It's so fucking simple. So now in the next video we'll look into the trade update of AUD USD. So welcome back, boys. So we are back with the AUD USD. What that looks. Let's look for the trade update in AUD USD. Alright, so AUD USD. Are we waiting for the price to come on the area of interest? It is still down there. Are we interested in this? Hell fucking not. Okay, so it is having a retracement. Beautiful double down. Okay, what is this? I think so. We have the double bottom. Yeah, we do have the double bottom, and it is going to start pumping to the upside. This, if this is going to come up, Euro USD is also going to come up, and look at that, it started coming up. Whatever I have exactly have told, it is happening to perfection, and it's going to go to downside. So I'm just not interested to close this. I'm into this trade. We'll look into it. AUD USD, cool. What is going to happen now? I will tell you. This is going to come up, create the lower high to create a new lower. It is, I don't think so it is going to like come and then retrace, because as the push is pumping to the downside, it is going to hit till this, and then it is going to reverse, because yeah, I just don't feel like it is going to come up pretty much, because if it is going to come up in 1 week, it just can't push to downside. It will be so weird. It will be having such kind of candle, and this is this big wick. Not possible. So either it is going to continue to go to downside, or it is going to come up and this candlestick close on the weekly, and then next week we'll be having the trades. This is what it is. What the fuck with my mic? Signing off. Let's holy shit. So in the next video we'll be looking into trade update of AUD JPY. Hey, welcome back. We'll look into the trade update of AUD JPY. Beautiful trade. We missed this. Actually, we didn't. We have predicted this move, but we have missed this trade technically, and technically we haven't missed this trade. And you'll be like, what the fuck? Stay one sec. Oh my god, it haven't come. I was waiting for the oh my goodness, what the fuck is happening? I was waiting for the daily candlestick to come and close on the area of interest. It haven't closed on the area of interest. It just started pumping to the downside. Cool. I'm still waiting for the price to come on the area of interest, but that is no but. But I still believe how in the world it is pumping to a downside, man. It haven't just created a lower high. It needs to create the lower high to create a new lower low. Crazy, right? Crazy, crazy. So now, in the next video, there is no trade right now. I'm waiting for the price to come onto this box. Then we'll be looking to take the trade or downside. Now, in the next video, we'll look into the trade update of GBP AUD. Hey there, so we'll back with the GBP USD trade update. Look at this. Would you look at this? I'm waiting for the price to come to this area of interest to take the buy trade. And we started coming to the downside. We could easily, oh my goodness, this looks beautiful. We could easily take the sell trade from here. Stop loss right here. And the take profit exactly at this point. We could easily have this to 1:2. Sorry, yeah, 1:2 ratio. Beautiful, beautiful trade, man. This is also the left head and right shoulder, left head, and it is creating the right. It is going to create the right shoulder, and it is going to pump to downside. Beautiful. Am I interested to take this trade? Absolutely fucking not, because I'm already into this Euro USD trade. Beautiful trade. Now it is going to retracement. It is going to create a new lower high to create a new lower low. Crazy. So I'm just not interested to take the trade to the downside, but it is what it is. Let's just keep this or risk reward ratio like this, and we'll see how it goes. So in the next video, we'll look into the trade update of Euro GB. Hey, welcome back with the new video. We'll look into trade update of Euro GBP, as I am interested to look into the taking sell trade from here to the downside. I was waiting for the daily doji or the daily engulfing candle. We are right now creating daily doji, but and pretty much 4 hours is going to get bearish tomorrow. This is going to close like this, then the next candle is going to create upside, and the next candle is going to create a downside, and then it is going to shift to the bearish, and then we were here. We're going to take the sell trade from here to here. Easy fucking lee. Isn't it that crazy? This is so fucking simple. It is simple. And the tomorrow will be having a beautiful engulfing candle to the downside. It is going to come to the downside. Am I going to take the trade? Maybe, maybe not. We'll look into it. So trade, stick to the point. Oh, stick to the videos. In the next video, we'll look into the trade update of CHF JPY. Welcome back, guys. The trade update of CHF JPY. Oh my goodness, I predicted this motherfucking move. I'm waiting for a daily break and retest. I was waiting for the candlestick to close below this candle, below this box. I was waiting for the candlestick to close below this candle and below this box, which now a lot happening. So I was waiting for the candlestick to close somewhere down there, not over here. We are technically missing the trade. Pretty much. We haven't missed it yet. It is going to have the retracement, so it is going to have the retracement over here. This looks solid, man. This literally looks solid, brother. This is solid. Now, oh my goodness, this is super solid. We'll look into it. So I'm waiting for the price to come to this box again to take the sell trade from here to here. Easy fucking lee. Alright, in the next video, we'll look into the trade update of NZDJPY. Close. Hello and welcome back, boys. The next trade update of NZDJPY. Would you look at this? Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? I have predicted it is going to go to downside. I have predicted this thing. So why in the world I'm not into this trade? Because I was waiting for the price to come. I was waiting for this price to come from here to here, which haven't happened to take the sell trade. I was interested to take the sell trade right here to the downside, which haven't came up, haven't took the trade, but the prediction was exactly correct. I'm into Euro USD trade. We'll look into it. If this started pumping to the downside, I probably guess it is going to pump to the downside, because as it is going to create the new lower low on the weekly. And if it is weekly is creating the new lower low, my brother, my brother and my, I don't want to say my sisters, but yeah, my brother, look at this. It is going to pump to the fucking downside. And if GBP USD is going to pump to the downside, Euro USD is also going to pump to the fucking to the downside. And guess what? Just no 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 no. Just guess what? If this is going to pump to downside, this is going to be this. 1:4. Right now we are at this place, and we are 1:1, and right now I am up about $19,000. Literally $19,000. So if this is going to come to the downside this much, just multiply $19,000 times 4. So 40,000, 80,000 pretty much. Will be up about 80,000 this week. Crazy. $80,000. It's not INR. $80,000, which is almost like 70 to 70 to 80 lakhs INR. Crazy, crazy, fucking crazy. All right, we just need to do nothing. I like this profession. That is what I was dreamed of. All right, boys. Stay tuned. Signing off. Enjoy. Now there is no trade update. It's done. So we'll look into it. We'll do that one more trade update from tomorrow as well. So we'll see if this is going to hit to the fucking take profit, or is this going to reverse and it must fucking stop loss. Alright, boys. Oh my god, the camera angle was not looking good. Signing off. Holy shit, something is happening. I just got notification of the trading view. I really want to see, do we hit a stop loss or not, or take profit, because that is only the um holy shit, we looks like we hit a take profit. Yeah. Exactly, brother. We're hitting the take profit. So now I have to decide, should I keep it hold or should I close? Previously I hold it and it reverse. Okay, this is not the weekly area of interest, this is the daily area of interest, so we need to get out at daily take profit. Okay, so now this is going to have the retracement. You guys can able to see, right? Yeah. Okay, so probably up about $40,000. I still feel like it is going to create the new leg. This is going to create the new leg. This right there is going to create the new leg. Just a second. The actual take profit should be this. The actual take profit should be this 1, 2, 3. But if we come on the weekly time frame, we can see that this thing is going to create the new leg to the downside. How about sentiments? This is strong sell. Okay, this is going to create the new leg. GBP USD. Okay, as I said, it is happening to the perfection. Goodness, it sounds crazy, right? Exactly what I said is happening to the perfection. Exactly. um so it has created it GBP USD. It has came to the structure where it is going to get stopped. From here it is going to get retracement. The daily, okay, the daily have pumping to the downside. It's New York open. New York already open now. It's about to dry the. So now it is going to have the retracement, my dear brother. It is going to start having the retracement. The candlestick closure, then the doji, then the push to the downside. Or how about GPUSD sentiments? It's also strong sell. Something is happening. Maybe it have created the it has created the leg to the downside. It's done his business, man. And today is just Monday, so whole week is remaining. What it will do for the whole week? 4 days is remaining. It's just a Monday. I need to think. Now this is the process you need to learn, brother. Hey, this is still pumping to the downside. I can literally see over here. It's now like $400 now. Near about, yeah, $400. Crazy. Oh my goodness. This is pretty much not looking good. Because now if I wanted to close it, maybe there is a news and I can't able to close it. Okay, let's do question answers. Now we have to ask a question to ourselves that what we should be doing. Have we come to the next structure? Yes. Okay. So from here the rejection is going to get happen or it is going to get close over here. Have we finished the whole weekly movement? Let's see. This is the weekly movement. This is the weekly movement. This is a big weekly movement. Average weekly movement is this, this. Okay, so now I can understand that we have pretty much finished the weekly movement. Look at this. This is also the thing. This is also thing. This is also this. But we have the big when the movement of the raid is happening. It is happening super big. This is twice of it. We just started to do this. This is going to do like this. Probably. It will be weird a lot. Then let me just close my phone because it's just distracting me. Like it's going to close. Pump to downside. Is there any news? 17 minutes ago, Euro dips as Iran conflict strays growth fears. British pound hits 16-week low. Okay. Probably it can reverse from here. No, I don't think so. It is going to reverse. It is going to continue to keep going downside. But as per the things, it has finished his weekly moves. Because if I just again, I want to check it out. This is a big move. This is the candle move. This is a big raid candle move. This is also the big raid candle move. Let's see two more. This is also big. This is also big. Okay. So weekly I've already finished this move. The daily is also like daily have created a very huge candle. Probably the retracement is going to get happen from now. Okay, I think so. I'm having a click in my mind. I think so. I'm having a click.
It's 8 o'clock.
So this is probably going to close like this. Okay. Why I'm managing why I'm analyzing GPUs because it looks clean for me. This is probably is going to close like this, and today is Monday. Tuesday is going to have the retracement. Wednesday is also going to have the retracement. Thursday is going to create a doji, and Friday it is going to come to the downside. So this is how it is going to look, and the weekly is going to come and then come back again. So this is probably looking the same. I feel like this weekly is not going to move now more. Euro USD, we'll see. Weekly on a GBP USD have created the new leg. On the Euro USD, it haven't created the new leg yet. So it means it is going to create a new leg. Probably easy. Mm, so now we need, like, I'm getting paid for my thinking. I just have to think it properly. So now this is a structure rejections. Let's analyze. Like, I understand the GBP USD is not going to move anywhere. It is just going to start having a retracement, and then on Friday it is going to be on the same place on Friday. So whole week is going to be coming back to the break even, and then it is going to come back to the profit again at the same place after Friday. So we'll analyze weekly again. So this is the weekly structure. This is the weekly structure on Euro USD. This is the structure, big structure, big structure is on Euro USD. ठीक है ठीक है. So now it is having a lot more red candles downside. In GBP USD, it has same lot more candles. In the Euro USD, okay, rejection, rejection, rejection. I probably should close this. Probably, probably. This has came so down that it needs to have a. Is it going to be same thing? I think so. Okay. Okay. Let's see about the. Still it this. I need a clear picture right now because I need to analyze the things. So this is the. Let me just take the high and the low. This is the whole candle. This is this is a small candle in front of your small candle in front of your small candle in front of this small candle in front of this is the whole weekly movement right now. This is also small e still small, very small, very small, very small, very small. So look like that in Euro USD we still have the potential to move create the big candle now. It's really going to like wait. So now we'll look for candle to candle. No. From here, no. From candle to candle. From here to here. Is this really going to create this kind of big candle? Is this like this will be double? This is sufficient. This is a double. Okay, this is also same. Keeping the same, keeping the same bit slow. This is also same. Yeah. So looks like it can easily can create on Euro USD. Feels like it can easily can create this. So now I have to hold this for a whole week if it wanted to create that. So now I just have to like now I can able to see that 50% of probability that it is going to go up from here, and 50% probability that it is going to go down from here. 50-50. Okay, so it is. This has done this, this has done this, this came down. I have this little bit of. Oh, schemes down. Have a little bit of rejection retracement, came down. A very high deep retracement came down. Now it is very high chance that it is going to have a retracement. Oh man, this looks crazy, crazy. This looks crazy, man. Let me check the 1 hour. 1 hour is creating the rejection candle from there. 30 minutes also so low. It needs to have the retracement. 15 minute. Oh, 15 minutes is beautifully creating the lower lows and lower highs. How about 5 minute? I'm just going granularly so that I can understand what is happening and how I can. I just need to. If I wanted to hold it, yeah, I can hold it and I can capitalize it. Wait, let's just see the bigger picture. Let's just see the bigger picture. Let's just delete this. Okay, we break, we retest the previous structure area of the daily and even weekly, and now we are ready to go to downside. So now this looks solid, man. This looks literally looks solid to me. A lot solid. And I, I still believe this is going to create a new candle. But if it's going to go to downside, the GBP USD is going to go to downside. Also going to go to downside. This has gone to downside. Crazy, like crazy. What I should do? I have reached to my take profit. Now I have to make a decision. Should I close it or should I keep it hold? But keeping it hold can have me as a stop loss hit. Um, and was in profit of almost $40,000 and go back to the break even, or I can just hold it. But I don't know, like as on GBP USD, it has created a lower low. Okay, it has came so low. Now it needs the retracement, yeah. It needs to have the retracement to the structure, and then it can just pump to the downside. For the retracement and probably going to create for a whole week. And after that, it is if it is going to come to downside, it's just going to be like somewhat over here or somewhat here. Means it is going to be on the same place. And on the Euro USD, Euro USD looks so, I mean, so pretty different, you know. I feel like it is going to create a new candle to the downside because it has beautifully rejected. Now it is ready to break this and came to the downside. Come to the downside. Okay, so now it is going to be. This is going to come till here. Oh, and Jesus. It's going to be coming over here. This is a structure, this is a structure, and this is this. Hold on. Let's just be clear. What do you Udesh? I'm self talking now. Udesh. Do you really think if this candlestick goes up, are you okay? Ah yeah, 100%. What if this candlestick just close like this at the end of the week? Are you okay? Yeah, yeah. What if this candlestick close like this? Are you okay? Ah yeah, hell yeah, of course. Okay, so this is clear. So I will be okay if any of the scenario. So now I have to decide, should I hold it? Holding is actually make sense over here? Yeah, I feel like holding is makes sense because we have came rejected previous structure area, created a doji candle, EMA rejection, beautifully coming to the downside, and I feel like it is going to close below this candle, create a new lower low. That's all. That's it. So now, is this really going to happen or not? That's the main question. So now I will analyze the other USD currencies. On GBP I feel like it is going to be on the same page. You know, I really feel like it is going to be on the same page. Means it just came, man. I mean, it has nothing to move now. I mean, it is done the move. Now it is going to start the retracement. How in the world is it going to keep going downside without retracement? Or maybe it can, but just make sure like it is not that much probable. It also having a retrace rejection from here, always rejection from here, but I have close. I have to make the decision. I have to make the decision now. It's beautifully created a new lower. If this is like, see, if this is going to go to downside, then and then only Euro US is going to go downside. Crazy. Okay, let's see the bigger picture. Weekly lower high. Sorry, daily lower low. Daily lower high. Now daily is going to create a new lower low. Ooh, the bigger picture is again saying it is going to go down. Okay, so how about GBP USD? Mm, GBP USD also create a lower high, create a new lower low, create a new lower high. Now created the new lower low. Probably if it is going to be here, awesome. If it's going to be here, awesome. Then in the next week it is going to create a new lower high, create a new lower low. It's going to be pretty much same. So now I have to figure out if this new lower high is going to get created now. Lower high is going to get created now, or it is going to just keep continue to pump to the downside, and then next week it is going to create a new. Hold on, let's have the AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD keep continue to go to downside, which is weird, a lot weird like anything. Oh, it just started to. It don't have week. It is needs to continue to create the week. So if it is not having the week, that means sellers are so much over here, selling a lot more. This is the price where the rejection is going to get happen. So, but to come up here, it needs to have the retracement towards here and to come to the downside, or else it needs to have to create the new lower high to create the new lower low, come to the EMA and whatnot. So AUD was this saying that it is going to go to downside, but it is going to have the retracement. Who came so what? Second, GBP USD. It is saying GBP USD is also saying that it is going to go to downside, but it needs to have the retracement. Even we have candle came, man. Candle just came to the to take profit, yeah. what we should be doing now? Should I continue to keep it hold? Oh, I was like, this is, hey, if this is, if this week is going to get created of this candle, then very high chance that Euro USD is going to get pumped to the downside easily. You know what? Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's just hold it because it's so beautiful. Lower low, lower high, and creating the new lower low. Beautiful lower low, lower high, creating a new lower low. Uh, if this candlestick closed below this candle, then it is just going to come back and then it is going to come down. ठीक है GBP USD GBP AUD USD how about AUD USD is also going to come to down, so it needs to have the retracement, man. The retracement, I mean USD is showing retracement, other USD, some USD, some I need to see all, you know. USD, yeah, USD JPY. This is coming up. JPY is coming down, right? If JPY is coming down, USD is going to go up pretty much. USD CAD. Oh, this is going up. I'm crazy. This shouldn't be playing into my analysis. Oh, this is pumping to the upside. It is going to keep continue to pump to downside. So this has gone up. So GBP and Euro USD is gone down. So looks like it is going to continue to go to upside because it is already have creating a new structure. But as per the things, it needs to have come to the retracement, have the retracement to this area of interest. So it needs to create a doji right here. But it decided to go to the upside, so it is. Oh, it needs to create a doji, man. So this is going to have the retracement right here, and that will be a doji on the weekly time frame, just creating the new upside week. Okay. Anything USD. Oh, NZD USD. How would you look at this? ठीक है. USD, this currency is creating a new leg to the downside, but it needs the retracement, yaar. Again, it is saying, and ZUSD is also saying it needs to have the retracement to go to the upside. Sorry, downside. So look at it, it needs to create a little bit of lower high to create a new lower low. Do I really wanted to get involved in this lower high thing? How about this? Yeah, it is going to create a new lower high that will be previous area of 4 hours. Yeah, so like every single thing is saying that it is going to go down, so going down is going to get happen. So should I hold this? If this is going to go down, yeah, this will be awesome because it will be creating a new leg on the weekly time frame. Yeah, this looks solid to me. But as per the trade has finished. Like trade should close because this is a day we took the trade on the daily area of interest, and we should be closing on the daily area of interest, take profit, and we are already came on it. But I see the bigger picture. I could be wrong. I'm not scientist here, but I could be wrong, and I'm completely okay for being wrong. At the end, what else will going to get happen? Will be still be in a positive, right? It is going to close in negative, so we'll be still in positive. So probably two things is going to get happen. Either will be closing in a positive, or either will be get stop out and then coming back again, just because of news or something. Or third thing is will be will be double our profits by just doing nothing, because this is going to come to a downside. So we need to figure out, like, are we going to hold it or not. So as per the things, I'm going to hold it. I am going to hold it. It's going to create the rejection, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to hold it. But just need to figure out like this is. I just need to be accepted myself that it is going to come to the upside again over here to create the new lower high. So I could be go a little bit in negative and then come back on the positive. Like this. So I mean, yeah, like this is go like I can't even keep my stop loss to a break even because I know this is going to come to come up and to my break even, and even if we hit the stop loss right here, we'll be losing just 173. No, not even 173, 152 plus commissions, whatever it is. And right now we are currently sitting 661 minus 172. How much it is? 661. 661 minus 170. How? 152, right? So adding commission, whatnot. 175. Let's add this. 468. We can have how much trades we can have in this? Divided by 3. 172. 70. 3 trades in this. Still. Oh. That's not looking good to me. But if I just close it right now, we could be able to have near about 4-5 trades. I just want the freedom, man. Like I just want the flexibility of trading capability I can take. But just over here rejection. This is going like I know this is going to come back up. Like this is create a lower high, create a new lower high, create a new low. Now it is going to create a new lower high, a whole ACR session, which is in night. It's going to be sideways, and then tomorrow it is going to come to a pump to downside. It is probably going to create the lower high right here, like this, and then it is going to pump to downside. So if this is schemes back to back candle, this raid back to back candles are being created now. That's what making me turn off this. If we take the trade right here, that will be all right. Let's keep it on going. But um, took the trade. It is going to create also the daily. Oh, look at this. Once this candlestick is going to close like this, or pretty much up, the next candle is going to create the weak, come to downside. But back to back red candles is getting created. That's just turning me off because I just don't see a. This is back to back red candles, but still came down. Back to back red candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth candle. One, probably this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. 5 maximum candles getting created, right? As per the take profit as came. Hard 15 minute, 5 minute. 5 minute got bullish. 15 minute is creating the lower high, create a new lower low. 30 minute is now ready to create a good amount of lower high because there is no lower high right here. 1 hour is also, look at this, like this is so, this box is so valid. 1 hour also going to create a lower high and create a new lower low. The two, look at this, 2 hours as well. Look at this. 2 hours is also going to come up here, create the new lower eye. It is going to create like this structure, and then it is going to create the new lower low. You know what? Let's hold this. Let's see what happens. I am disconnected with this trade now. Seriously. I have to disconnect because I'm going to hold this. It has came to my take profit, but I'm not going to close this. This is exactly same thing happens 2 weeks before. I this is exact trade. Came to our take profit, and I keep hold. We hit the stop loss. I mean, but the weekly time frame was looking same or what? Weekly. Let's just check that trade right away. Mm, the platform is getting loaded. I want to see that currency. Last week, last one. Euro JPY. Where is the Euro JPY? Is there? Euro JPY. EUR JPY. Forex.com. Oh, oh, oh. Could you look at this? Oh, Euro JPY. Euro USD. Euro JPY. This is also pumping to the downside, my brother. Oh, look at this. Look at this big engulfing candle. The big engulfing candle is representing that it is having a lot more sellers coming into, but is also going to represent that it is going to have a little bit of bigger pullback. Holy shit. It has exact same pattern. Break, retest, 2 candles. I literally took this trade. Was correct, but gone break even. JPY. Let's just duplicate this. Oh, GBP CAD. We were waiting for the candlestick closer below this box. It is happening to the perfection now. Now tomorrow will be wait for the retracement to take the trade to the downside. Euro USD and Euro JPY. Both has the Euro USD and Euro JPY. JPY currency is moving down. Euro is also moving down. Weird, right? Okay, so weekly time frame we are like this. Break, retest. It was going to create a new leg, but it came back. Can this scenario can happen in this weekly? This looks solid, man. This looks solid. Let me just turn this off. Break, retest. Break, retest. First doji. Now this candlestick is going to this candlestick is getting created. So we are still safe. Oh no, hold on. Let me just 9 March to 16 March. 9 March to 16 March. 9 March. Okay. Okay. 9 March to 16 March. And break. This was a beautiful left and right shoulder. Break, retest. Gone. Okay. Weekly is engulfing 1 and 2 weeks of data. This week was just engulfing 1 and 2 week of data. Same. Oh, This is already engulfed already. This half wick. This is a half wick. It is engulfed. This is half wick engulfed. Now half wick is going to get engulfed. Same pattern. Same. Still, it has engulfed a lot. I'm just wasting my time. It's just like wait. Break retest. Break retest. Beautiful rejection. And now it is we are coming down. Okay, what we will do, we'll keep this hold till Friday and we'll decide to close on Friday. We'll look how the scenario looks like. Because as per what I have analyzed, on the higher time frame, it is going to keep continue to keep creating the new lower low. And it is very much easy for him to create a new lower low just because of the my goodness news. Look at the news. What I just so much into caps, just don't want to read that. So if it is going to candlestick close below, it is going to keep continue to downside, but it needs to create the 2-3 days of sideways market, then it is going to start pumping to the downside. The exact 2-3 days of sideways market, and then it is going to keep continue downside. Maybe this is going to get happen like big. Oh, this can happen, man. Big candle, big candle. Okay, boys, I am safely deciding this by saying a lot of confirmation. Also, will create a new leg. Also, will be man. This was exact same scenario when I was discussing about that trade. The external voice was exact same. So this will create a new leg to the downside. We'll also have the rejection from here, but it is going to create the candlestick close is going to happen. That is what I'm feeling like. Recording is on, right? Oh, recording is on. This daily candlestick is going to close below this candle, then it is going to little bit have the retracement. On Friday it is going to come downside. The third section I'm able to see that the rejection is going to happen because whenever we are above we are buying, above we are buying. But if I see the weekly bigger picture, this thing is going to create the new because and in a worst case it is going to close like this. In a worst case, either it is going to close like this or it's going to close like this. So probability of stop loss hit is just like 10%. Okay, and I'm up for the risks. For this 10% risks, I will be very much holding this trade and just doing nothing, and I will be doubling my profits. I'm in. Why not? Because why not? Also, this was a confirmation I have done. I have taken. That is why I'm deciding to hold this. The second confirmation I'm taking this GBP USD that 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 this has already have the move, so it is going to have the retracement and then it is going to pump to the downside, creating new lower high to create the new lower low to like come back a little bit down. GBP USD I don't see any confirmation down because we are already came to the take profit of the oh 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 blown my mind, brother, blown my mind. Look at this. I'm 100% I'm going to hold this. Look at this. Let's just look at GPU is just saying every single thing. Look at this. Just look at it. Break and then retest and then created the new leg. Right now on Euro USD we have break, retest and going to create the new leg, where on GBP USD it has already created a new leg. It has already candlestick is coming down below this candle, and Euro USD is above this candle. So we can GBP USD is showing us a future what is going to get happen. Amen, brother. Amen. I am in with this trade. I am going to hold this trade for sure because we can see the hold on because we can see the future. We can see the future on GBP USD. Look at this. GBP USD is already up showing us a future. Break, retest, and creating the new leg. Candlestick close below this structure. Euro USD is behind GBP USD. So we can predict Euro USD candlestick is going to close below the structure. Crazy. I'm going to hold this for sure. That's the biggest confirmation I can able to get. Biggest. Most biggest. That's it. That's it. So I'm done. I have decided to hold this trade, and I am pretty much going to keep the stop take profit right here. I'm not going to add any numbers in take profit. I'm just going to use this alarm. Once the price comes there, then we'll look into it. The same way we done right now, the same way we'll do. Okay. And I have already have the alarm where my stop loss is. I wanted to understand when my trade hit the stop loss, right? I really do. I really don't need that. Why in the world I need this? So I'm going to hold this. Look at this. It started coming to the downside, but I just don't believe that it is going to keep continue to go to downside. It needs to have the retracement. It needs to create a new lower high like this to create a new lower low. I'm in. So now I can able to see right now we are up about almost near about $40,000. If you want to see, you see. Hold, let me show the bigger account, the biggest possible account. It's not a real money. It's a challenge, but you know I'm going to hold this. Oh my! It's $25,000 on that. God, my God! I'm sharing this to my friend. He is also a trader guy. I'm probably going to hold this. What it is? Alpha Capital. Let me just log in into Alpha Capital. Maybe I'm the one. Alpha Capital. Now I don't want to show you the password, and I hope the password. If I close this trade right now, I probably may come into number one in a trading thing because I literally have increased 23%. Fuck. Let me just log in into this because this is the sneeze is coming. Sneeze is coming. Because I increased 23% within one day. I probably may be the number one trader, maybe, because this is today and tomorrow is the last day of the competition, and if we be in 1 to 100 number, we'll get the free challenge account. We don't need to pay anything, and that's the best thing we can able to get from this. So I need to see, am I on a number one? Then I'm just going to close this trade right now. I don't know, I don't need to hold this because tomorrow there is very high chance that it is going to start having the retracement, and probably I don't want to get into retracement. So wait, let me check. Password is getting visible or what? No, so I can safely type the 3@gmail.com. Yeah, you can contact me in this password. Oh, it's wrong. It's wrong. I know. I knew this. Hold on. Oh, now it's a $27,000. Imagine this was a real. We could retire for the whole life. It's crazy. What is alpha? Alpha. Mm, alpha capital. Oh, got it. Oh, is this? Oh, yeah, yeah. That's the password. Should if I click save, maybe that will be. Um, where is this? Account metrics, profit target, success. I don't know, man. Where should be checking this? This is all got inactive. This is it. Um, okay, it's in progress. I just don't want to show. Okay, login ID is password is not reading visible, right? Dashboard competition. April upcoming enter for sure. Oh, password not getting visible. Nickname Urdesh. Wow. So ongoing. See leaderboard. If I see the leaderboard is okay, starting balance this current equity. What? Who is this? This guy's a flip like anything. Um, this current winner is this guy. Total contestant is this. How I can see where I'm. This guy has flipped like anything, man. Search name Utesh. Oh, okay. So in this competition, I have to be in under 100 people. I just need to understand. Um, first prize, second prize, third prize, ongoing. First, top three winners gate, challenge context. Okay, so there is only prize for three people, first and second and third. I probably am not. Wait a minute. Third is this guy. I've flipped it for near about 400. 2000. I'm just not be able to understand what the fuck is happening right here. Starting balance is this. These guys have make 400%, so 4,000%, 400%. How in the world? View details. I can view details. Probably not. What is this? 200. Okay. Max 191. These guys are crazy, man. So if I close the trade right now, because now my balance looks like how it looks like 124. Oh my! Now we are up about $30,000. Crazy. 128. I just need to find 128 number or less than that so that I can able to understand what my number is. 6. I just need to be under under 137. Oh, look at this. I'm near about this. I'm closing this. 129. Oh, I'm closing this, brother. I'm literally just let me just record the screen. Hey everyone, I'm literally closing this position. Can I do this one click accept? Okay. Close all position. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there is no voice. There must be voice. So I made $29,000 this right now. So hold on. I'm actually done. I close this position. I will refresh this. Ongoing. It's leaderboard. Oh, I need to see the leaderboard. I was funded next. I was funded next. Oh my god, I'm crazy, going crazy with this. Where I am right now, Uddesh, UDDESH. Oh, it's still haven't updated yet. It must get updated. I can't. Wait. This is crazy. I'm just not able to understand what the fuck is this. Well, I just know that competition, and I will be in near top 100 people. Near about one top 100 guys. PNL is this. UDDESH. It should get up. Oh yeah, it got updated. I'm 90th. I'm the 90th one. Hold on, let me just. It's very hard to. Everyone, look at this. This is a competition of Alpha Capital. Look at where I came on a number of 90. I literally closed a trade which is of 1,000 of $28,000. So I am at a 90th position. Crazy, 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 crazy. So, acha, view retail, it comes over here. 28% return. So now, largest winning trade is this. So I am at a 90th position. So I probably guess so. I can able to get the perks from them. Probably because top 100 people. I've read somewhere that top 100 people get the perks. Not everyone, but top three winners are top 100 people. Alright, we'll see. Signing off. So we'll look into funded next. I probably guess so. Like there is very high chance because Alpha Capital. I don't know about this, but from funded next, I have most very much chances that competition list April March. Yeah, here we go. Contestant profile. Even if I show the password, when this release video will release, that account will get blocked. Because that account is going to get off after 1 day. Battery is 12%. I'm telling you guys that, brother, I'm predicting the market. I just don't able to get the entry. What is this? And why is this right now like this? Come on, man. Come on, get loot. Trying my best. There is network error here. So much slow network. Let me refresh this page. Okay, my offers. Competition. How about this recording is still on? Yeah, it is still on. Upcoming. Oh god, this page is not looking good to me. icons, competition, page is loading a lot more time. Look at the speed, look at the speed. 7 kbps. How in the. Am I mad or is this website is mad? Network is working, right? Yeah, YouTube is getting load. Yeah, YouTube is getting load. Yeah, it's so slow. I just need to see am I on top 100 people and I can just close it. Yeah, the network is not loading. How about this? Oh yeah, now it loads. Now it loading. Crazy. Yeah, now it fully loaded. Very high chances that it will load again right now. Or else I have to shift to other place. Okay, let's shift to the other place. Hold on. I'm keeping the phone outside for the network issue. Now there is average net is going to get woke up. Average speed. It's not like yeah, high spy. Yeah, look at this. Instant reaction. I just want to see profile. Yeah, look at this. Instant current equity is 1100. Oh, current rank is not looking good to me. Leaderboard. I'm top 3 is this guy's. I'm probably Desh. Yeah, I'm 7,000 rank. Current equity is this. I won't be able to risk a lot more. Oh, okay. You know what? I think so. I should be closing this trades. Is live getting updated or how? How much it's showing? 1002. Yeah, it's correct then. It's correct. Current rank is this. I thought it will make sense, but it doesn't make sense. Right now, current trade is Euro USD. Euro USD haven't came over here. Oh, it is. Oh, we have $2,000 in profit. So profile $1,000 in profit. Current balance is this. Equity is this. Yeah, this is updated. So current rank is this. Most I will keep it. I will keep it whole. So this is probably is I'm going to hold this currency. Look at this. We are pushing to the downside. Beautiful. Probably, probably now. I think so. As per my knowledge, it should keep continue to downside, or if it is going to candlestick close up, it is going to come up and then retrace, give 2 to 3 days over here and then push to the downside. So this is it. I'm going to keep it hold because I don't care about money. This is how you should be doing, and I don't care if it is going to hit the stop loss. Don't care at all. So I'm just closing this, signing off the whole real situation we saw. Peace. Hi there, welcome back. This is the day two. Look at this. Ha 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 ha. What the fuck is right now happening? I decided to hold this. Yeah, I'm still in this trade. Have decided to hold this. We were up about almost 1 is to 3. 1 is to 2.5 near about. Yesterday I locked in the $30,000. And I was up about almost $400 on my funded accounts. Uh, Crazy. So am I like I if this trade hit the stop loss, am I going to feel sad? Of course, yes, I'm human. It will feel sad almost like for 1 second. Oh, we hit the fucking stop loss. Now what's next? Let's see the next. I will do like this, but I will not feel. Oh my god, stop loss hit. Stop loss hit. Fuck. Now what to do? I'm bad trader. Fucking not. I have decided by myself that I'm going to hold this. If this hit the stop loss, I don't care about this because yeah, it will feel bad that hey, I was up this much. So, well, you know what? I really want this trade to hit the stop loss because I will learn. Because in a weekly time frame, it must create the candlestick to the downside. It's my theory that it must create the candlestick to the downside. And if it not going to create, then something is somewhere I must be learning. Okay, or maybe maybe this is what is going to get happen. Maybe that hold on, let me just look at this. This week is going to touch the EM and then it is going to push to downside. Maybe this could happen, maybe. But if when this happens, I will hit my stop loss. But crazy enough, I just I'm still rooting for this trade that hey, this is like I this is my theory. It is going to create the new candle to the downside, and this is what is going to get happen as per my prediction. And yeah, if this candlestick close like this, tomorrow we'll be having the doji, and the day after tomorrow is going to start pumping to the downside. This is what actually the market structure moves like this. But in the way if creating the doji, it's hit my stop loss, it's okay. I'm just out with my trade, but I will learn one lesson. 2 weeks before we have hold one trade, and we actually this is same exact trade, exact trade. We came to the take profit area. We were into profit about, I don't want to say the number, but we were into profit twice above the risks. So I should be closing the trade to take profit, but I was like, hey, I need to hold this up till over here because I see some patterns and I see the structures is going to get respected a lot. And guess what? The next day, when I woke up, boom, reverse and hit the stop loss. The same exact thing is looks like it is happening. So crazy, crazy. So I will be learning that I should closing this trade on the take profit area. Okay, the closest take profit area. Doesn't mind if we're going to miss the profits or miss the loss. We should be closing the trades on a take profit. This is what I will be learning, and literally, I want this trade to hit my stop loss. Literally, no, no, seriously, I want this trade to hit my stop loss, man, because I want to learn that thing. So crazy, right? Not a single trader you will see that want this to hit the stop loss. Right now, you want to see? Yeah, I will show you my downside as well. So, okay, if we where is the login? Yeah, over here. Look at this. So we are still in profit, man. How in the world? We're still in a profit of almost 4 USD, $4. So pretty much we are. How in the world we're still in profit? It should probably because I might be enter early. My entry is little bit up. So yeah, it is what it is, my dear brother. It is what it is. I don't fucking care if this is the stop loss or if it is the take profit. Other accounts, I probably have closed the portion. Probably, maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, this is what it is. Signing off. I'm actually doing this YY analysis and thing. I'm actually going back in time in November 2025 where I started not getting the trades, and I'm actually looking into like what in the world and how I can improve and how I can get the trades and what goes wrong. Why in the world I stopped getting trades per week, the high probable trade. So I'm actually looking into. So it's signing off. Stay tuned. And again, now I have to think like this. Whenever I'm going to open the chart, I have to use this happiness formula. What the happiness formula is, and you must learn this, okay? If you wanted to be a profitable trader, you must learn this. The formula of happiness is equals to expectations versus reality. Okay, so if I just come over here, come onto the chart, and if I expect that, hey, right now right now I think I will be in a profit. This is what my expectation is. And if I see this trade, the reality is we are approaching towards our stop loss. Holy shit. That's a very, very huge difference. What I expected that, hey, I expected that it will be in a green, it will be in a profit. And what the reality is, oh shit, it is in a stop loss area. It is about to hit the stop loss. Then that gap, what I expected and what is the reality, is going to make me lose my brain, lose my mind. Okay? And that is what is the definition of happiness. If my expectation versus reality is same, then I'm happy. If my expectation versus reality is not same, I'm sad. So if you're sad in a trading, if you're sad just because of the stop loss hit, oh my god, you need some reason to get sad, man. This becomes sad because of hitting the stop loss. Holy shit, it is hitting my stop. I really want this hit. Stop plus, stop plus. Fuck. Okay, boys, signing off. We'll see. Are we going to hit the stop loss? Are we going to hit the fucking stick profit? Signing fucking off. Okay, I mean, okay. Woo. Okay. You wanna play? Let's play. Okay, brother. Like, okay. Crazy. Oh my goodness. This candlestick close above this candle. We're cooked. I'm actually looking at my own analysis. My own version is teaching me. That is why I like to create the videos, because I can go back in time and see what my mindset was and exactly what I am actually looking at it. Okay, brother. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss. Hit my fucking stop loss, my dear brother. Hit my stop loss. And take me out so that I can learn the one thing that I have never learned in this trade. That I should get out on this. I should get out. I should fucking get out over here. Should not hold this trade because it doesn't have the lower high. You saw this? So right now, like, see my, oh my goodness, I'm so much zoomed in. My older version is saying me, look at this. So what I was just want retracement and push it up. I just is looking beautiful. Like the perfection you, if you see the perfection, this is what the perfection trade looks like. Or cat UB. Right. Yeah. New lower low, it has to create the. You can just follow that lower high on the daily lower high. Here's this. You can just follow that lower high as well. But to create new lower low, it has to create the new lower high. You see what I said, to create the new lower low, it has to create the new lower high. Okay. So now it is. Damn, this is so true, man. This is only one line. It is so fucking true. It was a day trade. It's not a swing trade, my dear brother, because we need to create. How in the world I haven't considered the factor shit, man? Like shit, shit happen. Look at this. To create the new lower low, we gonna have to create new fucking lower high. Crazy that sentence right me, and this sentence I have told on 10 November 2025. Crazy, like crazy, man. To I mean, this was a day trade. This is not a swing trade. We don't have the lower high on a daily time frame to create the new lower low. We how in the world we can just start melting the down. Where my brain was, where my brain the fucking was. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I wanna learn by doing the losses. I'm learning without doing losses. Yeah, it's cool, but it doesn't it doesn't learn you the fastest way. This is the fastest motherfucking way, my dear brother. And I don't care if it is hit the stop loss. I really don't care. I still believe that it is going to close like this, and the next day it is going to create the doji candlestick, and then it is going to push her downside. And guess the fucking what? This was the area, this is the area where the first reaction is going to come from. Look at this, whenever we are under, we selling, we under, we selling, and above we buying. This is exact same thing has happened in a previous, what it happens in October 2025. Whenever we are under, we selling, under, we selling, under, we selling, and whenever we are above, we buying, we buying, we buying. And guess what? This was the trade we could easily done the loss. And just because of like 4 hour shifted structure, just I'm telling you, my brother, just I see the lower this like I'm learning from my 10th November to 14th November version, man. What I said, you only listen. Get config and then push it and say, wow. This is what we are looking into to take the trade, brother. And now, so now is going to push it on. So the next week is going to. Look at this now. What I was. We are also close below this area of interest, which is daily area of interest, which is what I don't like the way. I don't want to try. Yeah. Now see what I said. So now, so if we are below this area of interest. The 4 hours is doing. This is the trade, brother. Like wow. We can't able to take this trade on 6-figure account. Oh shit. Say beautifully shift of structure. Like gone. Now the next guy is going to trade trace and push it downside like anything. Wow. Push it. Take the trade, brother. Holy shit. Wow in the world. The only thing which is now I'm just getting turned off that we haven't created the lower. Oh my god, where the line is? Hold on. I literally said about that. That whenever we are above, we're buying, and whenever we're under, selling. Like what? I wanna record that. Yeah. Next. Okay, brother. Next. This is the next. This right the way it is. Just want the price, man. Where are you touching? Yeah. It's enough. So if we are below this area of interest. Say now. 4 hours is doing. This is the trade, brother. Like wow. But the issue is these trades are coming on a Monday. We can't able to take this trade on 6-figure account. Oh shit. A beautifully shift of structure. Like gone. Now the next guy is going to trade trace and push it downside like anything. Wow. Like I love this trade. This week where the fuck going to config and then push it downside. Wow. This is what we are looking into to take the trade, brother. And now we just want this price to come. I want 4 hours to come over here. The only thing which is now I'm just getting on the lower too far, like fiction trade. I just want retracement and cat. Crazy. You are on my side. Crazy where the fuck it is. Hold on. Let me just show you. I have said this. I have read it. And literally oh yeah, over here. This. In the next week video I have told, which is next Sunday swing. See what I have said over here. I want to this trade and literally I avoid the loss to the perfection. So yeah, this is what it does.
7 o'clock. We'll analyze this currency later on.
My God, I need to take a
Got
bath.
bearish.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this.
Blew
Look
this
at this.
area of interest.
This alarm tone is just like I was just freak out because I was like, fuck, wait, the stop loss or what? And we are about to hit the stop loss. Yes, I shouldn't freak out. I shouldn't.
So I was like, let's wait for this candlestick to close below this area of interest.
Listen,
And guess what? And guess what? A lot of people have sell over here.
no, I have to take a little bit back.
Daily candlestick closes above this area of
Yeah.
interest. So as per the rule, whenever we are above, we are buying, and whenever we are below this area of interest, we're selling. So I was like, let's wait.
You see what I said? Whenever we are above, we're buying, and whenever we are under, we're selling. My God, there is a mosquito around me. Whenever we are under, we're selling, and whenever we are above, we're buying. Would you look at this? This exact same pattern is right here. Look at this. This is a pattern, okay? This is exact same pattern is getting shown over here. Oh my God, it is about to hit the stop loss. Exact same pattern, my dear brother. One. Oh my God, this mosquito. Phew. Exact same pattern. Whenever we are under, we're selling. Whenever we are above, we're buying. And guess what? We came. We fucking came over here. Okay, we fucking came. And we just gone up. And also, we haven't even created a lower high. How in the world we still continue to go to the downside, man? Was a bullshit. This was a bullshit logic. My previous version, I was so good in trading. I mean, I'm also good in trading. I'm not gonna lie, but the logic was so clear. The logic was so beautifully clear because I've literally practiced a lot more times. So I literally have done the practice for like 1 month about this. But now the practice has been scattered up. I need to do the practice again. Look at this. Exactly happened. It came and it reversed. It came reversed. Exact same way. Exact fucking same way. Exact same way. My dear brother. Exact fucking same way. Okay. Now you can see that I'm fucking regretting, and I want to tell you that yeah, I'm fucking regretting because I understand the mistake. I understand, like, how in the world I'm into this trade. Like, this thing is so connecting. I mean, God is giving me signals. I'm in this trade, and at the same time I'm seeing my old video, which is saying that whenever we are above, we are buying, whenever we are under, we are selling. We should be closing this trade. Crazy. Why in the world this is getting in line? This is what
This candlestick to close below this area of interest.
this is what some signs are. We are getting signs. I really need to, how we can say, I really need to decode this sign. The sign is that I really need to go back in time and see how I was trading and match the way. That's it. Because now I have just lost so much that I have done intraday. I'm messed up with every single thing. So I'm just predicting. Also, this is also happening. I'm predicting the fucking market, but I'm not able to execute the market because there is no entry signal. Also, there is a logic. Like, this is so super common sense right here. There is no lower high is created. That means, again, I will explain you, because while explaining to you, I'm also explaining to myself that, hey brother, this is a mistake, and you will get through it. This is the lower low. This is the lower high, and pretty much this. I mean, how in the world is this going to create a new lower low like this? It gotta create. It gotta need to create the lower high, and then it is going to create a new lower low, my dear brother. It's fucking crazy thing. This was so simple. And also there was the area of interest where there is a reaction upside. And if we go back in time, there is a reaction to the downside, reaction to the upside. This is exactly clear sign I was having. And even also there is a correlation with the GBP USD currency, that we have already reached to the take profit level. This is the maxed, it can go down, and now it is going to start reversing. It is, see, I will tell you, we haven't we haven't are wrong. It's just coming back to retracement. It is going to close like this in at the end of the day. I like this only, but we were at that point where it is going to close. Then why to hold? Because holding is again going to come back to the same point, right? I mean, this is crazy, and this is what I have learned, man. This is what I'm talking about. I really am learning a lot, you know. While in the negative phase, I'm doing a lot fucking small mistakes, crazy fucking small mistakes. So now, if there is a no lower high, the video is recording, right? Yeah. If 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 there is no lower high, okay, still I accept to take the trade. That's one thing. The second thing, I should be getting out to the point where it is going to give me a reaction, which is exactly what is happening. And exact same trade 2 weeks before I have took the trade, and I decide to hold it because it is going to go to downside. And guess what? What happened? It fucking reversed. That was a perfect trade as well. Got fucking reverse, right? And also AUD USD also giving the sign that, oh yeah, it just can't continue to go to downside. It needs to have some kind of retracement, and this some kind of retracement is also going to give me the some kind of retracement on Euro USD. Fucking bullshit thing, right? I could easily take this trade and get out, and pretty much like this is it. And other currencies, wait, other currencies, GBP USD. Now we are waiting for the retracement, and tomorrow is going to be doji. On Wednesday, see, on Wednesday there is going to be the market push. The On Wednesday the things are going to get started. I mean, the trend is going to get started. Today there is a reversal trade, reversal trend. Tomorrow is going to be the sideways trend. It's going to create a doji, and after tomorrow it's going to create the full trendy market, the big candle. Oh, would you look at this? This is what I have avoided a loss in this. I was waiting for the daily candlestick closer below this candle, and which has happened, but then I was waiting for the 4 hours retracement to this previous structure area. Fuck, the light has gone. Oh my goodness, the light has literally gone. Oh my god, thank you. I've put my phone on charge. Right now it's 99%, and about this 64%. I'm not gonna lie, this can go forever. And pretty much we can take this trade right here. But wait, does 30-minute shift of structure? Absolutely fucking not. 30-minute was bullish. We could easily avoid this loss, which I have done. I haven't even saw this market because already I'm into this Euro USD trade, right? Which is going to hit my stop loss. The next update is AUD CAD. Look at this. I'm not into this trade. I'm waiting for this candlestick closure on this area of interest. Once that happens, we will be waiting for the 4 hours to go bearish, because for 4 hours getting bullish, so we will be having only one time frame in sync. That's daily is bearish. So 4 hours is going to get bullish. So we just have one time frame to sell, not looking good. So I need 4 hours to go bearish. AUD USD, I'm waiting for the price to come back to the area of interest. My goodness. This is going to come back this month. The Euro USD for sure is going to hit the stop loss. AUDJ funded next. What is important notice? What is this funded next is saying? News release. Damn. Something is going to happen. Something is bullshit is going to get happen. Funded next has mailed me that, brother, the news is going to Good Friday and Easter Monday trading us. Okay. So so AUDJPY, it needs to have the retracement to create the new lower low. It just can't continue to push to downside. GBP odd. I'm waiting for price to come to this area of interest, and we just keep the stop loss, and we just keep this risk reward ratio tool. We will what will be happen if we take this trade, and we see what is happening right now. It's a nothing. So this, yeah, I'm waiting for the candlestick close below this box. That's it. Daily doji or daily engulfing candle to the downside. I just want something which is going to close below this box. Once that happens, going all in. Oh my goodness. CHF JPY, the last two pairs is exactly, oh my, exactly what I prayed. Oh fuck. I missed this fucking trade, man. Crazy. I missed this fucking trade. This is the trade where I should be holding. This is the exact trade, like, to see, I need a break and then retest. We candlestick closer below, waiting for the price to come to this area of interest. It came, and then now we push. We could easily take this trade, man. But let me check. Can we easily take this trade? 1 hour was bullish. 30 minute have shifted bearish. This is a sell. This is a candlestick closure. But we are far from the area of interest. Yeah, we are super far from the area of interest. I will never take this trade. Oh yeah, we are super far, no, Montana. It's not that far, but we'll wait for the retracement because it will create a left and right shoulder. Because this is our take profit, this is stop loss. Hold on. I will not take this trade, you know why? The stop loss adding 35, adding 5 pips. Let's go for round for 40. Every single notification just kicking me out my heartbeat. What the fuck? I shouldn't be feeling like this. I have accepted the risks that hey, it is going to hit my stop loss. I have fucking accepted them. Why in the world I'm feeling like this? If I'm feeling like this, that means something is wrong with me only. So yeah, the risk reward was not making sense. Can we see anything we can do? The risk reward not making sense. I will never take this trade. Yeah. Would you look at this? The trade which I have predicted has happened to the perfection. Oh my god. So CHF JPY is pumping to the downside. That means nothing. There is no correlation. NZUSD. Would you look at this? I'm waiting for the retracement to this area of interest. This is very weird that it is continuing to coming to the downside because there is no lower highs created. Crazy, right? So let's go back to the Euro USD, which is our stop loss going to get hit. Stop loss. Kill my fucking stop loss. Kill that stop loss. Stop. One moment silent for this trade. Beautiful. This trade, this loss is the thing which is actually teaching me. Super good lecture. Thank you the loss which is going to happen. Thank you, my dear brother. This was a fucking day trade, not a swing trade. I should not be holding this much long. I understand. If I'm taking a day trade, I should be. This is exactly what I have. This was the exact rule which I have violated. This was not the weekly area of interest. This was the daily area of interest. If I'm taking a daily trade on a daily area of interest, I should be getting out at a daily area of interest, which the price comes on that area of interest. This is not the weekly area of interest. Okay, so I should be not be getting out at the weekly area of interest. But like I was I'm still seeing that it is going to create the candlestick from outside because it has I just don't know about this, but like that experience of market is saying that it is going to create the candlestick to downside, but then now it is reversing, which is not looking good. I have said that it is going to reverse, but this much I never thought. I thought it is going to come up till here and it is going to push it downside. I can close it the way it is right now, but I don't want to. I want to see it this trade hit the stop loss, just to just to slap myself. That motherfucker Uddesh. This was a beautiful trade. Goes in profit, goes into your tick profit. Why the fuck you haven't closed it? Yeah, you're saying the bigger time frame, bigger picture, blah blah and blah blah. But you took the trade on the weekly, you took the trade on the daily area of interest. Should be getting out at the daily area of interest. So, fuck happens. Shit, man. So, even if this trade is going to hit the stop loss, oh my goodness, do not do like this. Yeah, this trade is about to hit my stop loss. So, I'm okay. I'm fucking okay. I mean, it's just a, it's just a loss. I haven't lost anything. I mean, I do lose the dollars amount, but I have learned a lot, which is going to teach me a lot. So right now I'm at $118 loss. Wanna see? Wanna see? Wanna see right this? Crazy. Can you able to see? Oh yeah, exactly. Look at not in a whole day I haven't even got this much notification. But now when the price is about to hit the stop loss alarm, I'm just getting a lot more notification which is not about trading. It's just like Google sending this, Google sending that. Okay, I'm completely okay with this trade. I don't care if this stop loss hit. Yeah, it will feel bad for 1 minute, but then I already have accepted this. This is going to get happen, and this is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. I have done the mistake. I have took the trade on the daily area of interest. I must be getting out from the daily area of interest, regardless of how weekly is looks like. Weekly looks so beautiful, but then still we should be getting out. Okay. Now even though if I keep watching it, it will. I don't know what else going to get happen. Probably this candlestick has just started, right? So this is going to close like a doji. I mean, this is started over here, right? I'm picturing this. It's gone up. This candlestick closed like a doji. No, I don't believe it. The stop loss very now. If this candlestick is going to close above this candle, the stop loss hit chances is very high. Like this high, like anything. So yeah, this is what it is. I will not waste more time by seeing these things. I will invest my time for learning from my older Uddesh, and I will improve what it is. Okay, signing off. Oh my goodness, there's so much light gone, man. Hello, hello everyone. So we are. I'm actually doing the recap of whatever we have looked. Today is Wednesday. Oh, today is Thursday. My goodness. So exactly what I said has happened to the perfection. My goodness. क्या बोलूं? So look at this on Euro USD. We were waiting for the candlestick. We are actually were not interested to take this trade, but I took this. We hit to the take profit. I decided to hold and it reverse accepted. Then I said like it is going to come up till here. Then it is going to get rejected. So it actually rejecting it. So tomorrow we can take this trade to the downside, but I'm not going to take this trade because I'm done with my trading for the whole week. So this is what it is. So yeah, I mean like this is what the trade update of Euro USD looks like, but I believe this is going to go to the downside. This is actually going to go to downside because the weekly is going to create the new candlestick to the downside. It's going to get happen. Today is Today is Thursday. Tomorrow the Friday is going to be tight. So it is tomorrow. There is very high chances that it is going to get down. In the next video, we'll look into what is our trade update of GBP USD. Hello everyone, so let's do the trade update of GBP USD. Oh my goodness, whatever I said, it has happened to the perfection, man. This was a beautiful trade. This was a beautiful trade on a daily. I literally have said it is going to create the. I need the retracement to this area of interest, and then I'm going to take the trade from here to here. We'll see. Do we have our entry signal? Pretty much bearish, bearish, bearish. But the 4 hours got bullish. I don't care. Do we got our entry signal? 1 hour shift of structure. This is at midnight. At 6:30. We can take this trade at 6:30. 1 hour is creating the higher high, higher low. Where it is, where my mouse is. At 6:30 we can take this sell trade, but wait, I need to check my 30 minutes as well. So we shifted bearish, got bullish. Nah, I will never take this trade for sure. But what the fuck is happening to me? We have candlestick close below, then I will be waiting for the retracement to this area of interest to take the trade to the downside. So basically, technically, we will be missing this trade for sure because it has gone so down. So pretty much we won't be able to enter into the sites type of market. So yeah, the prediction was correct, but we won't be able to take this trade. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. I literally have predicted this exact move. It is going to come and it is going to come again down, man. Exact move. This is what power of trading is. This is what power of understanding is, and now I'm actually going back in time, and like in 2022 November, you can see over here the date, and I'm practicing the trading because I want to get master in the skill. Not master, I wanted to be a number one in this trading, in this industry. So let's, in the next video, we'll look into the what is the trade update of GBP CAD. Hello there, we're back with the next trade update. Is GBP CAD. What the I really wanted to say. So we were waiting for the candlestick closure below. Candlestick got closed, then we were waiting for the retracement. The retracement have came, but we didn't got our entry signal. There is no shift of structure, nothing. Yeah, the leg thing. Nothing. So we have avoided the loss to perfection. The market gone up, then it again came down. So yeah, pretty much tomorrow we can able to take this trade, but I won't be able to take this trade because we have already have passed away the one trade per week rule. So tomorrow what is going to get happen, it is going to come till here, is going to retrace the previous structure area, rejection from the EMA, 4 hours EMA, rejection from the area of interest, and then it is going to push your downside. Boom. Isn't it that crazy? This is so fucking simple. It just need to, we just, like, everyone has the information, just need to structure it the way it needs to be so that we can make money from it. Stay tuned. In the next video we'll be looking what is the trade update of AUD CAD. Welcome back, guys. In the next video, in this video we'll get looking for the update of AUD CAD. So what is we're waiting for? We're waiting for the candlestick closure on the area of interest. Candlestick haven't closed, it just closed above the area of interest, and I'm like, nah, I'm just lost interest. So that is the reason I haven't took this trade. So now what is happening now? Beautifully happening. It's the perfection. Now it is having the engulfing candle to the downside. I just don't see that it is going to create candle downside, because what is going to get happen? I feel like this is going to get happen. It has created the higher high, it is creating the higher low, and this is the area of interest. Whenever we are above, we buying, under we selling. So right now we are above, it is very high chance it is going to go upside rather than going to the downside. But the 4 hours shifted bearish, retrace the previous structure area, going to go down. Lower time frame looks good to me, but I don't know, it doesn't looks good to me, because also it is above the daily EMA. This week it is just going to be sideways, because now today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. In a one day, I don't think so it is going to pump to downside. Even if it is pumping to a downside, this is what the cap heat is. So not a good trade. This is going to be closed like a doji or some little bit kind of red candle, nothing more. So in the next trade, in the next video, we'll be looking for the update of AUD USD. Welcome back, guys. AUD USD. Let's see what is the trade update on AUD USD. We were waiting for the price to come to this area of interest, and it haven't came. It just rejected from this area of interest. Would you look at this? This is a rejection from this area of interest, and so picture perfect. So picture perfect. We can we take this trade? Absolutely fucking not, because no, because for us is bullish and weekly is bullish, so we don't have a 2 time frame in sync. We were waiting, we should wait for us to go bearish. I will never take this trade, but and also, like, we are not rejecting the valid area of interest. We should be coming to the area of interest. This is a valid area of interest, not this. So I don't know, I still believe this is going to come to the upside. Still believe. I don't know about this, but I still fucking believe this, because how in the world we can reject from the area of interest, which doesn't even make sense? Isn't it that crazy? Just super logic. So now in the next video, we'll look the trade update of AUDJPY. Welcome back, guys. The next trade update of AUDJPY. It is beautifully, haven't even done what I was wanted to do. I was waiting for the candlestick closure on the area of interest, then I was going to take the trade to the downside. Hold on. I think so. My mom came. Yeah. Just a second. If she came, then I have to pack my bags. Let's wait for 5 minutes. So we came to the area of interest, and we didn't came to the area of interest. Now it is ready to go to downside now. Crazy. Mom never make voice of keys. This doesn't looks good. Super close. Okay, confirm. So look at this. We haven't created a weekly week to the upside, so pretty much I will be not interested to take the trade. And as I said, it just can't pump to the downside without creating the lower high, and now it is in the process of creating the lower high. If this candlestick close like this, we're going to go to the upside or maybe go to the downside, but very high chance that we can go to the downside. But I don't know, I mean, shit looks crazy. This looks super sideways. I am not interested right now. So in the next video, we'll look the trade update of GBP AUD. Welcome back, guys. Let's see the trade update on GBP AUD. What we were waiting for, exactly what I said is we were waiting for the retracement to this area of interest, and we haven't took this trade. We just keep our risk reward ratio to see does this is going to happen or not. And pretty much this was a super high risk trade. If we are going to take the trade, this such type of trade we should never take, but we got the rejection candle on the daily time frame, and now we are ready to push it downside. It just break and then retest, bam, it just pumped it downside. Man, this looks beautiful. I have missed this trade, but no problem, we missed the trade which were not fitting in our trading plan, but this was a trade, crazy. Now in the next video, we'll look into the trade update of Euro GBP. So welcome back, guys. The trade update of Euro GBP. Look at this. What we were waiting for. Literally, we were waiting for the daily doji and daily engulfing candle. As you can see, daily doji and daily engulfing candle, which we haven't have. So we just keep pumping to the upside, man. This was so beautiful for taking the trade to the buy side. Can we figure out the entry? Yeah, this was a beautiful entry at the New York session. 1813. Oh shit, this was a beautiful entry, but we should never buy in the area of interest where the sellers are going to pump to the downside. Yeah. Mm, I don't know. Buying up here is bit crazy because whenever we are under, we selling, under selling, above we buying, and we were in middle of this, so it's not looking good to me. So, but the trade was there. There was a high risk trade, but it was creating the higher low, higher high. I mean, we could take this trade, but this was a high risk trade. So now in the next video, we'll look into the trade update of CHFJPY. Hello, welcome back, guys. The trade update of CHFJPY. Whatever I said, oh my goodness, it is happening to the perfection. Oh my god. I was waiting for a daily break and retest. So it candlestick break, and then I was waiting for retracement for this a for like literally retracement, and it just retraced. And would you look at this? It just pumped to the downside. So can we take this trade? Ah, yeah, this was a beautiful trade. Look at this, shifted. Now ready to go to downside. This was the trade, man. This is so beautiful trade, man. We missed it. Yeah, that sound is just a regret sound, but I shouldn't be regret because I have already finished my one trade per week plan. And now what is going to get happen? Oh my goodness. Ah, now I feel good. My whole weight was coming in on the shoulder. So now it so now it Are? Hello. Yeah, so now, oh no. So now the daily doji, this doji candlestick is getting created. So now if this candlestick close like this, the next candle is going to push to downside, and it is going to create the new candlestick to the downside. Candlestick close, man. This looks beautiful to take the trade to the tomorrow, but the 4 hours is creating the left head and right shoulder. We can, it's pretty crazy, you know. This thing looks good, but this is also doesn't looks good. I'm not interested in this. So in the next video, we'll see the trade update of NZDJPY. Alright, boys, this is a trade update of NZDJPY. We'll see what it is. So now we were waiting for the Monday candlestick start from here. I was waiting for the daily candlestick closer to this area of interest. It never happened. It just coming to the downside and just coming to the sideways. So pretty much the prediction was correct that it is going to go to downside, but the how it is going to go was just missing. And we are literally working on this because exactly I'm going in the back in the time and actually looking and doing the practice, literally practice. So let's do it. Signing off. We'll see tomorrow. That's it. That's it. That is the trade update of today. So now we'll look into the trades in tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Signing off.